Hello everybody, my name is Vargas. I'm from Ecuador, and in this video I'm going to talk about what I have learned about fracking and some alternatives to produce cheap and clean energy. As we saw in the videos, fracking is a technique created many years ago to release the natural gas in Earth. First, drills introduce hundreds of meters under the earth, and then a high-performance pump injects a special fluid that cracks the rocks and keeps the fractures open to release the natural gas. Many companies around the world use this technique to provide energy to large cities in big countries. These companies use this technique because they think that it is a clean, safe, and cheap way to produce energy. Sadly, this technique is not as good as we think. Fracking is not friendly with the environment. About the 4% of natural gas produced is released to the atmosphere and traps the heat in the planet. This technology pollutes water that we need and releases harmful gases that affect seriously the quality of the air that we breathe. If we analyze the benefits, the advantages and disadvantages of this technology, we can see that the advantages are small and the disadvantages and environmental impact is big. The energy that The energy that we can produce with natural gas is not enough to consider fracking productive. We can see that wildlife and forests are disappearing due to the constructions of big factories and big companies that don't care about the environment. Something has to be done to reduce the environmental impact. We need to develop new technology to extract natural resources with the minimum environmental impact. In my opinion, eolic energy is the best way to provide energy to large cities because it is clean and friendly with the environment. I know that the construction of eolic plants can be very expensive, but I think that the benefits are big and we can produce a lot of energy with these kind of plants. Every day that we see in the internet that scientists around the world are developing new technologies that using resources that surround us, for example, the water of the oceans, the salt in the water of the oceans, and the poop of farm animals. Finally, in this video, I'm going to talk about a new clean way to produce energy in agriculture. In many big countries, for example, the United States, farmers collect the poop of farm animals, like cows, and put it in special high temperature tanks that boil the poop and release the methane that can be used as a clean new way that can be used as energy. Finally, as a conclusion, as we can see, we can develop new technology to produce energy with with a minimum environmental impact. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.